Hey everyone, thank you again for joining me this week. This video is in response to Petunia 13, username Petunia 13, and she asked a couple questions, so I'd like to go ahead and respond to that now. First question was, what photo editing software do you recommend for a Windows PC? So for that, I actually came from Windows originally before I migrated to Mac, and when I was on Windows, I used a combination of Lightroom and Photoshop. It's a great solution together. One doesn't supplement the other. Lightroom is actually a very good software for library management. As photographers, we have tons and tons of photos, and Photoshop does not handle lots of photos very well. It handles one photo at a time, amazing, but not lots of them. So I highly suggest a combination of Lightroom with Photoshop. Some other people that I know really enjoy Bridge as well. So if you have Photoshop, you most likely have Bridge, and that's kind of a nice little addition to it, but it's not going to have the strengths that Lightroom does. Besides that, what about apps for the iPhone 4? So I take photos using a combination of these two cameras, actually three cameras. It's just the built-in camera itself. Another one that a lot of people like is Camera Awesomer, which is by the company SmugMug, which is where I host all my photos for purchase and so forth and distribution to my clients. Another one I like using is Hipstamatic. I love Hipstamatic, where you can actually change your film and your lenses. And the last one is the Pro HDR application. So when you have these beautiful, beautiful landscapes and sunsets, this is the one that I use for every single one of those. You get some very, very dramatic results because it's only taking two images and combining those two images together. So you get very dramatic results. As far as editing goes, I like using Camera Plus. It's a great one. A lot of my photos that you'll see on Instagram, which is DK+9, were done with Camera Plus, as well as Snapseed. Those are my two major editing pieces of software for the iPhone, and I highly recommend both of those. What flashes should I consider? For your camera, I would suggest anything that has a swivel head as well as bounce. Pretty much anything there is going to be good. The differences between the upper and the mid-range ones are kind of, it's just power really. So if you do a lot of outside photography, you're going to want one with a bigger head. That way it will allow you to get more power and really kind of fill in, and it just gives you more options. But anything really, especially starting out, anything with a bounce and a swivel head is going to work great. I usually shoot Nikon, and I've got the 800, 900, and 910. I would definitely suggest not getting the 900 because it has some issues, but the 800 is a fantastic flash, the 600 is a fantastic flash, and the 910 is an amazing flash. So any one of those are great. The Canon ones, I kind of have a hard time speaking to because I'm not really up on the Canon hardware. Last question, and I really appreciate this one, is are you affiliated with Amazon or any other website where you get commission if we use your link? As of right now, I'm not. I don't want to throw advertisements at you guys or request you do anything like that until I have a big enough following where it actually can help me out. But I really, really do appreciate that. It shows loyalty, and I'm really flattered. So once I do get an affiliation somewhere, I will let you know, and I really appreciate any support you guys can give me. So that's it. If you have any questions, or if I didn't answer your question quite right in this segment, just go and leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll go ahead and make another video expanding on that. So have a great day, everyone, and I'll see you later. Bye.